Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can disable your PDF such that the content does not get copied. I've taken this sample file. As you can see here, I can simply click, select the content and copy and paste in a file if I want. Now to prevent uh, that from happening, I will use Adobe free version. You don't have to use the pro version to do that. You can do it in a free version as well. So I've opened this file in Adobe free version and just click on the print screen button. So you'll get this option. Now select advanced, go to print as image and select this. Click on OK and print. I will save this file as protected file. Now I'll try to reopen this file. Okay, so as you can see here, I am not able to select any data, and now I can copy this data into the content here. So this is how you can protect your content. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.